Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses, model GG0356S in color code 007. The color of the frame is gold, and the lenses are blue. These glasses are also a pilot shape. You'll also find the Gucci logo engraved on its top right lens. Its temples are also gold. And you'll find the Gucci logo in the middle of its temple. This is the inside of the frame. This is the other temple. These glasses are also metal. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold and that it's made in Japan. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 61 is for its lens, 15 is for its bridge, and 150 is for its temples. The bottom of the frame is black and has a gold trimming. And you'll find the GG Gucci emblem inside of its nose pads. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary. And it has the Gucci logo in gold inside of the case. A Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci clean cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching. And if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.